Hi, so in this video, I'm going to just installing a car phone holder. How to install a car phone holder, right? So basically, this one is just a mini car charger, but it's not a mini car charger. It's a phone car charger, right? Because it charges your phone, right? Yeah, though it uses the power from the car battery, but it charges your phone. So basically, this phone charger, this is how it looks when unpacked. Right, so yeah, this is it. So it has the C type and then the USB, right? Then this other end, I'll show you later. This is which you can insert in the socket to get the power, right? So in case you have the USB, yeah, this is the USB. So the USB, it gets in here, right, like this. Then this other end, it goes to the phone. So it also has the C to C. This is the C type. Yeah, this other one. So if you have another device, you can use the C to C charger so that you can charge your devices while in the car, right? All right. So today our main focus is on this car phone holder, right? Yeah. So let's unpack it. All right. So this is it. Yeah, this is it. So basically, this is how it looks like. This is the vent which you can put in the vent. This is the holder, and this is the crocodile clip, yeah, which you can install in the vent, as I'm going to show you. So basically, let's assemble our phone. Let's get some phone here. Yeah, for example, this phone, we're going to install it in this car phone holder. So in order to install our phone, yeah, we have this lever, right? This switch. If you press it, it enlarges like this. If you want to contract, you squeeze like this. If you want to expand, like this. If you want to tighten, alas. So let's put in our phone. If you put in your phone like this, yeah, like this, easily like this. So you put in your phone like that, then so how is it, the grip? So basically, it's it looks like this when it's installed properly on this phone charger. Car phone holder, right? Yeah, like this. Yeah, so if you want to install this, so actually this is the holder. Yeah, this is the holder. So to install this holder, it goes inside here in this hole. So you have to first untighten like this. Yeah, it's all simple. So like this, then you just install this, yeah, like that. Then after you tighten, actually this clip is flexible. It is 60 degrees, right? Yeah, so now it's done, right? So the next thing is just to hold it. You can put this inside the AC vents. Yeah, that's probably the good position, right? The firm position is in the AC vents, so it will be firm. So basically, this is how your it will look like when you install it in your car, right? So this is when you install it in the car. So it will be like this, right? So it can help you to. Actually, this phone holder is good if you normally use it when using GPS or Google Maps. Yeah, so basically, if you're going to Entebbe International Airport, it will show you all the what, all the roads, right? Yeah, for example, if you press start, right? Yep. So they'll show you all the directions. So that's the main purpose of this phone car holder. Yeah, like this. So that's how you can install a phone car holder, and it helps you in the navigation. Yeah, it helps you in navigating. Yeah, especially when you don't know the roads you're supposed to use or when you are traveling, right?